VS Code because
so we wanted this week to highlight. They have a new experimental feature in VS Code that's like keeps your function at the top of the window as you scroll, but it does not work really almost at all with CFML code, unfortunately. So I threw one in that's less VS Code, more just general command line. It's a Git alias that I use. I use all the time. I saw it as nah, like NAH, like nah, I don't want that kind of idea. It's an alias to get reset hard and get clean any untracked files. So basically, if I'm on a branch and I've done work and I'm like, this is garbage, or I need to switch to another branch, and I don't want what it is, I can do git nah, and it just deletes everything, and I can switch to the next branch. So
yeah. And funny, in New Zealand, there's a saying when somebody asks you something and you want to say no, they say yeah nah. And then if you actually want to say yeah, you say nah yeah. Like it's like we'll just say both of them and just have the most important one at the end.
The order.
Yeah, it's confused the hell out of me last time I was there. But apparently, yeah, people go yeah nah. Like yeah, that's a good idea, but nah, I don't want to do it. So like that's the first thing I thought of when you say git nah. Like yeah, I kind of want to do it, but no, it's crap. Let's get rid of it. Let's start again.
So we'll include the code that sets up this alias. It's all built into like the Git command line. That's still kind of where I do most of my like add and commit work. If it's anything more than add and commit, I'm in some sort of GUI. But when it's that, yeah, I'm usually doing like git nah and then check out a new branch kind of idea.
Yeah.
So
pretty cool.
Hopefully it helps you too, because I don't remember git reset, soft versus hard versus git clean. Yeah, all of that. So I have a little alias for it.
Oh, apparently Daniel has one that does the same thing, but it's get rid. Get rid of that.
Nice. Get rid. I like that.
That's pretty cool too.
So yeah, and you can call it whatever you'd like.
Yeah, aliases are cool. I like those.
Yeah.
Okay.